I'm in the mood for a bit of glitz and a bit of glam today, so that's what we're gonna do. I want a really nice glowy base today, so I'm gonna take the Forever Glow Star Filter for my primer. This is the shade number 2. Very similar to the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. Look at that glow. I feel like this is a little bit more lightweight on the skin. Not that Charlotte Tilbury is heavy on the skin at all, but I just feel like this is just a little lighter. Extra glowy today. And then for my foundation, I'm using the Dior Forever Skin Glow. It's the shade 1.5N. I kind of go between 1.5 and 2, but I think 1.5 suits me a little better. I'm trying to keep this out of the hair now is another story. Contour. This is the NARS Creamy Contour. I wear the shade number 2. Do these cheekbones. I think I'll go with a bit of extra contour today, or a little heavier I guess, because this is a little bit more of a glam look. So I'm just kind of getting it down. Don't worry, we'll blend it in a sec. I'm not going to leave it like that. I'll do a little bit on my jaw. Do my hairline last. I'm not going to put too much up there because obviously, as you can see, I just did my roots, so that will just stick right into it. It'll probably stick right in here as well. I like to go around my nose. Don't worry, we still have to conceal. I'm just, whatever's left on my brush, I'm just very gently going around here. But not too much, because it's gonna all get stuck in my hairline. Now let's tidy that up with concealer. This is the Dior Forever Skin Correct. I love this concealer. This and the Backstage. They are two of my favourite concealers. So I could just go down the sides of my nose then with the highlight. Just gonna highlight the high points. A little bit on the tip of my nose and a little bit here. I'm gonna powder now. You already know. This is the Easy Bake powder from Huda Beauty. This is the shade Cupcake. And if I have said many times, this powder is elite. This and the loose version, best powders ever. It gives that like a good layer of powder down my T-zone, because after a little while, all the shine that I put down with the primer and the foundation, it's gonna come through naturally. And then for my blush, I know I'm putting cream over powder, but these actually blend really nicely over powders. It's the Huda Beauty liquid blush. I think I'm gonna mix these two. This one is technically a bronzer, the color Latte, and then the pink one is the shade Cotton Candy. Blend a little bit shit. I probably did too much. Okay, let's just keep blending. We're good. We can blend that out. Let's blend in the dark bit first, and then go into the light. Is that a bit too much? I don't know. Did I go overboard? Maybe. But we'll do the eyes, because then it will tone down everything else. And we'll see how it looks. I'll do my brows really quickly and just use what I've always been using. I'm just going to use the Urban Decay Brow Slick. And using that precisely my brow pencil by Benefit just to fill them in. I'm taking this NARS shadow stick. This is the shade Dark Angel. I don't want to wing this out. Not really sure what I'm doing. I'm just kind of going with the flow. Good thing about these shadow sticks is you can just kind of move them around and get your shape down however you want it to look. Deepen this outer part. Maybe a little bit underneath here too. A little bit in here as well. I use the Patrick Ta Duo. This is the shade Do You Know Who I Am. I'm just going to mix the two. This one's just a little bit more golder than this one. You just go into the center of the lid. I'm going to, with this Makeup Forever palette called Forever Walnut. I'm going to grab this brown shade. And I'm just going over this then just to deepen it. Just going with a little bit in the inner part. I actually don't want that to be too dark. And I'm going to take the off-white shade and just applying it in the center, or applying it in the inner corner. I'm gonna do my mascara. I'm gonna use my Lancome mascara. I'm gonna use my little corner lashes. These are the Lashes Purr by House of Lashes, which I basically just cut in half, like here. And then I'm just gonna apply that to the outer eye. Just taking a little bit of the Guerlain bronzer, just to make sure all that contour is nice and blended in. Okay, my lip liner I'm going to use is the Natasha Denona I Need a Nude Lip. I can't see the name, but I'll find it and link it below. I actually forgot how nice this colour is, because I've been using the Makeup Forever ones consistently. I abandoned all my other ones. This lipstick is from Melt. It's like a very, very, very pale pink. It's called Galerina. I think I put a bit of gloss on. The Jouer Tinted Lip Oil. Very sparkly, glittery one. I was going to add a highlight, but I don't think I actually need it now. There we have it. Anyway, I hope you like this look. I hope it comes in handy over the Christmas or for New Year's. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you very soon. Thanks for watching.